Hi everyone, we're going to find the equation of a tangent line at a given point using implicit differentiation. This is going to be a rotated hyperbola. So the first thing I'm going to do is use implicit differentiation. I'm going to write down x is the product rule times the derivative of y plus y times the derivative of x equals 0. So basically we have x times the derivative of y equals negative y. So derivative of y equals negative y over x. So when you plug in this point, our slope is going to be negative 1. Alright, so therefore the tangent line, we're going to write y equals negative 1x plus b. Plug in your x and y, so you get 1 equals negative 1 plus b. Therefore b equals 2. And your equation is going to be y equals negative x plus 2. Now here's your rotated hyperbola, and your tangent line is going to go through this point 1, 2, so it's about like that. Just a sketch. Okay, that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.